Hey guys, welcome to Font Type in Photoshop. I'm your host, Mrs. Fitz, and here we go. All right, what we're looking at right now is the character window in Photoshop. Here's your type style. Some of you guys might call it font. That's fine. It's really called type, but that's okay. We won't get into that. Type size. And then you have different treatments to your type. Bold, so your bold, your italic. You have it all in caps. Then you have all small caps. Then you have your super subscript and your subscript, superscript, your subscript, and strike through, underline, strike through. Then we have tracking, and then we have leading. And you will do that twice with your first and last name. All of these other ones can be done with just your first name. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to Photoshop, and you're going to go to New, and you're going to set up a new document, 8.5 by 11. All right, 72 RGB, that's fine. It's just formative. And we're going to name this Type Sampler, okay, because it's all samples of everything that you can do with it, and go ahead and hit OK. All right, I have one layer right now, and I'm going to go to that type tool, okay, and I'm just going to click there, and I'm going to get a dialog box, hopefully, okay, and already it's giving me a font. I'm just going to go with what my default is right now, and then I can go ahead and I can change my size, whatever I need. Okay, and pick a font that you like. You can change it. You can use as many fonts as you want. You are demonstrating your ability to use the character panel. Okay, so what I might do here is I might duplicate this several times. Okay, I'm going to right click. I'm going to hit duplicate. It doesn't want to duplicate. Duplicate the layer. Yes. Duplicate the layer. Yes. Duplicate the layer. Sure. Okay. All right, and duplicate it again. But what I'm going to go in here, I'm going to type on this layer. If I click on it, okay, I can name this one. This was bold. Okay, this one will be italic. Okay, and so on and so forth. The next one would be what? All caps, then small caps. Okay, just click on it. What do we say? All caps. And then we have small caps, and it's okay if you mislabel it. You can do whatever you want. Small caps, you guys get it. So I will have a layer for each of those until I get to the end. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this, and I don't see my window. Oops, I don't know why that just happened. Undo move. Oh, because they're all underneath there. Duh. All right, you can also right click and get and 5 copy. Right click small. I can move these all around whenever I want, and we'll go here. So this one is and 4 copy. It doesn't have a name. So I'm going to go to this one. This one is bold. Okay, there it is. Or I'll just click on it. Okay, I don't see my window. So I need to go to Window, Character, and I can pull this off, and I can just go ahead and click on bold, and it made it bold. Okay, now I can click on the italic, okay, and I can name it. Oops, that one did that. Italic is up there. Okay, I do want this in order. Okay, but you guys get it. Just right click to move it. So I'll probably do these in order next time. Okay, so bold, check. Italic, check. Okay, then I have all caps. Where is it? There it is. Okay, and I will put it in all caps. There we go. Okay, and then I will pick small caps, and I will click on small caps. All right. There it is. That wasn't small caps. That's small caps. Then it's this one, and 4 copy there. Okay, and now I get to do, what is this one? If I just hold it over there, it's superscript. Okay, and then I do this one, and it will go down. And that one's called subscript. It's helpful when you have them all in a row. Ugh. Just click once. Okay, and that would be subscript. Okay, and then I'll move that one. Right click. Okay, and then I'm going to hit another new layer. Actually, I don't need to do that. I can delete that layer. Yes, I'm going to take this bold one. I'm going to duplicate that again, and I will undo the bold. Ah, the thing was on there.